Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, we will see how we can find the largest and smallest element present in a list in Python programming language. We can find the largest and smallest element in many different ways, and we're going to talk about two methods in this tutorial. One is by using min and max functions, and the second method is by sorting the list. So here, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a list. I'm going to say numbers. And I'm going to specify the elements of this list in here. If you want, you can take the values from the user and you can store that in this list. If you want to know about that, then I have a tutorial. If you want, you can check that out. So now I'm going to specify some values. Okay, now we have some elements present in this list. Now the next thing that we have to do is we have to find the largest and smallest element in this list. One method that we can do here is we can use the min and max functions. These functions allow us to find the smallest and largest elements present in a iterable. So here what we can do is we can use the function that is min to find the smallest element, and then we have to pass in the list from which we want to find the smallest element. In this case, it will be numbers. And it will return the smallest value, and we can store that in a variable. For example, let us say smallest. Similarly, we can use the max function to find the largest element present in our list. So here we need to call in the function max and we have to pass in the list. So it will be numbers and it will return the largest element or the largest value present in the list, and we can store that in a variable. Now the next thing that we can do is we can print this out to the screen. So we can use the print function, and I'm going to format the output, and I'm going to say largest is, and then we can access the largest variable, and similarly we can display the smallest value. So I'm going to format the output again by using the print function, and I'm going to say smallest is, and we can refer the smallest variable. Now if I save this program and if I run this code, then here it says largest is 90 and smallest is 5. Now let's talk about the second method where we will be sorting the list. What we can do is we can sort the values present in this list in ascending order, and when we have a list in ascending order, the lowest value or the lowest element will be present in the beginning of the list, and the largest value or the largest element will be present in the end of the list. So to sort the list, we can use a function called as sort, and we have to write numbers dot sort, and that's it. This function will alter this list. The lowest value or the lowest element will be present in the beginning, and the largest value will be present in the end. It will sort the list in ascending order. Once we have the list sorted, we can find the first element and the last element to get the lowest and largest value. To find the first element or the smallest value, what we can do is we can use the list name and we can specify the index as 0. To find the last element, we can write the list name and we can specify the index as -1. So here we are counting from the end of the list. So if we specify the index as -1, then it will get the last element. Okay, now if I save this program and if I run this code, it says largest is 90 and smallest is 5. So this is it, guys. This is how we can find the smallest and largest elements present in a list. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.